everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back. So, how are you guys? I hope you are all doing good. So, let's start our DIY today, that is making of this beautiful planter. And if you guys are new to my channel and if you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, now to make this planter, I'm using this empty wall paint bottle and apply a coat of gesso. And if you guys don't have gesso, can use POP, then mix it with glue and a little bit of water to make a paste like this. Then apply 2 to 3 coats of this paste. First apply 1 coat of it, then let it dry and then give it a second coat. Let the first coat dry completely and then start applying the second coat. And then let it dry completely, and this is how it looks after applying 2 coats. Now take any air dry clay. I am using Fevicryl molded. Just roll it and then cut it to form a door shape. Then apply some glue on the bottle and stick the door. Start giving impressions to get that look of the door. And you can see here I'm not using any clay tools, just I'm using my ruler to get that impressions on the door. Now fix the door knob by attaching small clay. Apply some more glue on the bottom to make the step down the door. Now make windows. Apply glue and then start rolling the clay. And stick it over the glue to form the shape. Now create a base down the window. Apply some glue and stick the clay on it. Now take some more clay and roll it to form a pot shape, and then again stick it next to the door. Now using your pencil, pierce some holes over the top to get that pot shape. Now start forming vines. Form more vines and stick it over the bottle. Now using your cutter, give impressions on the vines to get that bark texture. After making the vines, let's start making the flowers. For that, roll some clay, and I'm using these clay cutters to make flowers. And these cutters are really easy to use and you can make lot of flowers in very less time. You can see here, it's so easy to use. Now let's stick these flowers down the window and over the vines. So all the links for the materials which I had used in this project are given in the description box as well. You can check over there. Now let's start sticking flowers over the vines. Here I will be using both big flowers and small flowers as well. Now next to the door, I am making this pole. You can either make a light to hang it over, or you can hang a board. So I'll be using this to hang a board. Now let the clay dry completely. So till here everything is fine, and now let's start the critical part, that is making this bicycle. And trust me guys, I had never tried this process. Even I'm new to this and I'm trying it for the first time. Let's hope everything will be fine and see how does it look. So to make this bicycle, take a very thin paper and just draw the bicycle over it, or even you can take a printout of a cycle, but make sure that you are using very thin paper, not too thick. Then roll the clay according to the size of the bicycle, and roll the clay in such a way that it fits according to the shape of the parts. And one more important thing guys, please don't use glue to stick this clay. Just simply stick the clay without using glue. The only thing you have to remember is all the joints should be intact. So once the clay gets dry, the parts should not come out. So make sure that all the joints are intact. Initially when I started this process of making this bicycle, I was not sure whether this will work out or not. Finally it did work for me. And you guys need to be very careful while doing this bicycle, as this is a delicate project to work out, and you should be very careful while doing these little things. So now this is the important step. Before the clay gets completely dried, you should remove it from the paper. So when it is 75% done, you should start removing the bicycle from the paper. Use your craft knife to get it separated from the paper. You should do this very carefully and slowly. Don't be in a hurry, else your clay might break out. So be careful while doing this step. Once when you are almost done with the separation, just turn it backside and start removing it carefully from the paper, just like this, by just pressing it and then removing the paper very slowly. Then it comes off easily like this. If there are any parts of paper, you can just remove them. So I am done with the clay part. Now let's start coloring them. As a base coat, I am applying white color, both for the bottle and the bicycle. Just apply white acrylic paint. And now coming to the coloring part, you can choose any colors of your choice. I am using this golden yellow color. And for the door, I am using this light blue color. To get that lighter shade, I had mixed a little bit of white in blue. And now for the vines, I am using this brown color. And I am using the same brown color for the frames of the windows and doors. And this olive green for the leaves. And now I am using this salmon pink for the flowers. You need to completely fill the flowers with the pink color. Let it be in the shades of white and pink. That would be fine. Now decorate the flowers with this white 3D outliner. You can even do this with white acrylic paint using 000 brush. So guys, this project is an inspiration from Pinterest and I want to name it as coffee bar. For this I am using this black 3D outliner. And guys, you can see here our bicycle is a bit shaky. So now we need to make it a bit stronger. So now to make our bicycle strong, I am using this super glue. And I am using these toothpicks. Just apply some glue and stick the picks over that parts to make the bicycle strong. You can break the sticks according to the shape. Now let it dry for 5 minutes. As this side of the bicycle is not seen, that would not be a problem. Now turn the bicycle and start coloring it. So for the bicycle I am using this teal blue color. And brown color for the basket and seat. And metallic silver for the wheels. So that's it, our bicycle is ready. Now let's fix this open board to the pole. For this, insert a thread and cut it according to the size. And now using hot glue, stick the board. And now stick our bicycle next to the door. And now to get that hat look, I am using this jute rope. Cut the rope into small pieces. And using hot glue, stick them on the top of the bottle to get that hat look. So once you're done with the sticking part, cut off the extra threads. And finally guys, to seal your project, apply a good varnish. So that's it for today guys, our coffee bar planter is ready, and now place a plant in that and see how beautiful it looks. So while giving this cave a name, I remember one thing. So how many of you guys remember that coffee bar song? Dekha hai teri aankhon ko chaand. So something like that. How many of you guys remember this song? Please let me know in the comment section below. And sorry guys, I'm not at all good at singing. To get you an idea, I had to sing that bit. And that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's project. And please give it a try. Though making this bicycle is a bit complicated, it's not at all impossible. If I am able to do that, you can also do it, right? So give it a try. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.